Keshav Nangia here. Welcome to my second episode of my channel. So today we're gonna see how to make an origami butterfly. So here it goes. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, any color you want. Now what you do is take this corner and to make the square, take it like this and fold it. So you have to take it from here and make it like a triangle. And you have to make sure the corners are aligned together. Next, when you have done this, so now I have brought the scissors and now we are going to cut this. Let's cut. You can also use by a hand, but I prefer using scissors. So yeah, and so yeah, I'm just cutting it. This time I'm not using it with white paper because there's a white. I'm keeping it on a white table, right? So I used colored paper. So now when you have cut it, unfold. Now with the fold which you had made to make the triangular shape in the square, do it like this and you can see the triangle. Unfold and by this crease which you have made from here, this crease over here, just fold this end to this end corner to align with this end corner and fold. So I've done the folding from here to here. Now you have to unfold. Now I'm sure when you have done folding, you can see this X mark from the creases. So exactly how to make the butterfly is how in the previous video I told you how to make a water bomb, right? So this is just a water bomb base I'm making. So I folded it into half from the square. Now unfold and rotate and fold in half again. So now I have folded it in half from this crease. So I unfold it. Now what you do is, how to make the base is fold these creases inside to make the water bomb base. And when you have your base, turn around like this and this corner should go at least 1 inch from this edge here, like this. So it's kind of like dog ears, like this. Then same on the other side, like this. Like this you made. Now then what you do is when you've made this, then take this and take this which is under these two flaps and bring them up from here to here like this and fold. So then for the final step, for the last two steps, when you have this, just fold it like this over, and then lastly fold this almost in half like this, almost in half from here to here like this, and do a little like this to the wings, and then when you have it, your butterfly is ready. Thank you.